How to remove contacts from Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information on Snapchat. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, you need to tap on Contacts. You will see an option by the name See Contacts Shared with Snapchat. Tap on it. All your synced contacts will be available in this View Contacts page. Now, go back. Tap on this option Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat. By tapping on Confirm, proceed with the command. Now all your contacts that were synced with Snapchat will be removed. So by following these steps, you can remove contacts from Snapchat.